I'm Susan. Today is day 13 for Junk Journal January, hosted by Meg of Meg Journals in collaboration with Get Messy Art. And our prompt for today is garden. So let's see what we get. I'm going to cut the music up and I'm going to speed it up, and I'll see you at the end. So without further ado, let's get started. number 13, garden. I just used stuff that I had on my desk. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure to check out Meg of Meg Journals and also of Get Messy Art, and be sure and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January and Junk Journal January 2024 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all have a great and wonderful day, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. So until next time, bye y'all.